Welcome back. Today, we're unlocking the doors to a world most only dream of, an exclusive tour of the world's most luxurious mansions. These aren't just homes, they're architectural marvels and personal kingdoms for the global elite. From LA's sun-drenched hills to the French Riviera and Mumbai, we'll explore legendary properties that set the standard for luxury. Get ready to see jaw-dropping features, private nightclubs, multi-story waterfalls, and entire floors dedicated to wellness. This isn't just a house tour, it's a journey into the mindset of those who build their own paradise. So grab your favorite drink and get comfortable. We're about to step inside homes where opulence knows no bounds. Are you ready? Let's begin the ultimate tour of the world's most incredible mansions. First up, Bel Air, Los Angeles, home to The One, a 105,000 square foot giga-mansion with 360-degree views of the city, ocean and mountains. The initial asking price? $500 million. This isn't just a house, it's a statement. Every detail, from 26-foot ceilings to custom art installations, is designed to awe. The amenities are next level. 5 swimming pools, a 30-car gallery, and a 40-seat Dolby Atmos cinema. The primary suite alone is over 5,000 square feet with its own pool, boutique-style closet, and marble bathroom. Entertaining. There's a full-service salon, spa, 4-lane bowling alley, and a nightclub with DJ booth and VIP lounge. The One is a self-contained universe of luxury, built for someone who wants the best of everything. Its journey has been dramatic, construction challenges, an auction sale, but it's now a real estate legend. Some see it as the pinnacle of architecture, others as pure excess, but no one can deny its impact. It pushed the boundaries of what a private residence could be. Walking these vast halls, you feel the ambition and the echo of parties yet to come. The One isn't just a home, it's a landmark. It's proof that if you can dream it and afford it, you can build it. In Los Angeles, they built this. This is luxury on a scale few can imagine. Would you call this home, or is it simply too much? Either way, The One has changed the game. Let's move on to a different kind of legend. Now we travel to the French Riviera, to Villefranche-sur-Mer and the legendary Villa Leopolda. Built for King Leopold II of Belgium, this Belle Epoque estate is a living piece of history. Its 50 acres of manicured gardens require 50 full-time gardeners and feature over 200 trees. The villa has hosted royalty, movie stars, and world leaders. Frank Sinatra, Ronald Reagan, and even Alfred Hitchcock filmed here. Inside, it's all European elegance grand rooms, priceless antiques, and art. Nearly every room opens to terraces with breathtaking Mediterranean views. The pool is a turquoise oasis surrounded by lush greenery. Villa Leopolda is about heritage and culture as much as luxury. It's a legacy, a symbol of timeless elegance on the Côte d'Azur. Owning it means becoming a custodian of European history. Here, luxury is measured in stories, not just square footage. Would you choose history over modern flash? This is the ultimate old world dream. Next, we head to a palace in the sky. Welcome to Mumbai, India, and the extraordinary Antilia, the 27-story vertical palace of billionaire Mukesh Ambani. At 400,000 square feet, it's one of the world's largest private residences, towering above the city. Each floor is unique, with no two alike in design or materials. The first 6 floors, parking for 168 cars. There's a grand ballroom, a 50-seat theatre, multiple pools, and even an ice room that creates artificial snow. A staff of 600 keeps this vertical city running. The family enjoys panoramic views from the top floors, and 3 helipads for quick escapes. Antilia fuses modern engineering with traditional Indian design, filled with motifs of the sun and lotus. It's a symbol of India's rise, and a lightning rod for debate about wealth. Whether you see it as a marvel or a monument to excess, Antilia is unlike any home on earth. It's a kingdom in the sky, redefining what a city mansion can be. Would you live in a skyscraper palace? Next, we return to California for a party like no other. Back in Beverly Hills, we arrive at Palazzo di Amore, the Palace of Love, built for epic parties. This 25-acre Mediterranean-style estate features a 35,000 square foot main residence and a 15,000 square foot entertainment complex. Inside, a 2-lane bowling alley, 50-seat theatre, DJ booth with revolving dance floor, and a ballroom for 250 guests. Outdoors, a 128-foot reflecting pool, massive swimming pool, tennis court, and a private vineyard producing estate wine. The style is pure opulence. Turkish baths, hand-painted ceilings, marble floors, and grand staircases. The main suite offers panoramic views from downtown LA to the ocean. Palazzo di Amore is built for those who love to entertain and create unforgettable experiences. It's a social hub, a place for deals, celebrations, and memories. This is the California dream, magnified. Would you host the party of the century here? Next, we visit a tech visionary's futuristic retreat. In Medina, Washington, on the shore of Lake Washington, sits Xanadu 2.0, the high-tech home of Bill Gates. At 66,000 square feet, it blends Pacific Lodge style with cutting-edge technology. Much of the house is built into the hillside for energy efficiency and privacy. Guests receive a pin that customizes temperature, lighting, and music as they move through the house. High-def screens display art at the touch of a button. Unique amenities include a trampoline room, a 60-foot pool with underwater music, and a library housing the $30 million Codex Leicester by Leonardo da Vinci. The estate features an artificial stream, native landscaping, and stunning views of Seattle. Xanadu 2.0 is a home that adapts to its owner, pushing the boundaries of domestic technology. It's not about flash, it's about innovation and comfort. Would you choose a home that thinks for you? Now, let's see a house that's pure fantasy. On the French Riviera near Cannes stands Les Palais Boules, the Bubble Palace designed by Antilia. This 13,000 square foot masterpiece is a collection of interconnected terracotta bubbles, with no straight lines in sight. Once owned by fashion icon Pierre Cardin, it's both home and sculpture. Inside, round beds, sunken seating, and skylights create a magical, ever-changing atmosphere. The estate sits on a cliff, with pools and gardens that follow the organic curves of the architecture. There's even a 500-seat open-air amphitheatre for fashion shows and concerts. Living here is like inhabiting a work of art, unconventional, playful, and inspiring. Les Palais Boules is a protected historic monument and a testament to radical creativity. Sometimes, luxury is about breaking all the rules. Would you live inside a dream? For our final stop, we head to the English countryside. In Surrey, England, Updown Court stands amid 58 acres of private woodland, a modern take on the grand English country estate. At 50,000 square feet and 103 rooms, it's larger than Buckingham Palace. The heated marble driveway leads to 24 bedrooms, each with its own marble bathroom. 5 swimming pools, 2 bowling alleys, a 50-seat cinema, and a private suite with its own pool set the tone for royal-scale entertaining. Over $6 million in Italian marble, gold leaf ceilings, and custom mosaics showcase global craftsmanship. The grounds feature tennis and squash courts, stables, a helipad, and a secret underground garage for 8 limousines. Updown Court is a fortress of comfort and privacy, just an hour from London. It's the ultimate sanctuary for those who want more of everything. Would you choose this modern-day Downton Abbey? Now, let's wrap up our journey. That's a wrap. From tech lairs to royal villas and sky palaces, we've seen the world's most extraordinary homes. Each mansion is a universe, bold, visionary, and lavish beyond belief. Now, if money were no object, which would you choose? The modern megalith, the bubble palace, or a slice of royal history? Let me know in the comments which mansion you'd call home and why. Thanks for joining this tour of the world's most luxurious mansions. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive luxury tours. See you in the next one.